Today on Wrench, Ride, and Repeat. Listen, Raven, I'm tired of your stuff. If you don't stop cooperating, you're going to end up sitting here all afternoon. I'm going to wheel you out into the parking lot, and you're going to sit there while I work on Gray. Ask Gray. He's been through this before. Isn't that right, Gray?
Well?
Sir, yes, sir.
Ugh. Better call Dr. Wrench before he decides to start throwing tools. Oh crap, he's yelling at Raven again.
Hello, I'm Dr. Wrench. What seems to be the problem? I try, and this bike just wants more all the time. Ah, yes, I see.
Well, let me take a look.
You have a severe case of bike brain. Oh no, that sounds serious. What do you prescribe, doctor? In my professional opinion, you should go outside, walk around the garage 3 times, and crack a beer.
Why does it always have to do that? Ugh.
She better like this. Next time, call me before you start throwing tools. Thank you, Dr. Wrench. If you enjoyed that, stay tuned for more from Wrench, Ride, and Repeat, where we finally get Raven going. Part 2 is coming soon.